The story starts almost 20 years ago when Calvary Baptist Church went to Arlington, Texas to help them with their Arlington mission. And when they came back, they were convinced that they should have a charity medical and dental clinic.
3 churches came together, and the 3 were Faith Lutheran, Calvary Baptist, and Maxwell Street Presbyterian for the purpose of treating patients that couldn't afford dentistry and perhaps were homeless.
On the very first day that we all got together down at the location on Limestone, we had to turn a women's welfare to work dress shop into our mission clinic.
In those startup years from 2003 to 2006, Karl was showing up on these mission work days.
I'd been private practicing for over 40 years, and I'd been teaching at the dental school part-time for over 30 years, and it was pretty evident that there was plenty of need for charity dental care. So this was a really good mission to have.
Volunteers are the heart of Mission Health Lexington. In 2019, we established the Compassion in Action Award to recognize an individual or business who have had a profound impact on the work of Mission Health Lexington. Karl is the epitome of compassion in action. He has been involved with the organization for nearly 2 decades, providing his time as both a clinician and as an administrative volunteer. He has served on the board of directors, and he has provided outstanding leadership for Mission Health Lexington.
This is another remarkable thing about Karl. When the mission began, most of the time we asked volunteers to volunteer for 1 clinic session a month, and Karl would normally volunteer 1 session per week.
Karl has the biggest heart I've ever seen in somebody wanting to serve and help other organizations. He's been an inspiration to me as he's given so unselfishly. Everything he has, he's given, because when he sees the need, his heart goes right out there in front of him, and he gives whatever he can.
I first met Karl when I joined the board at Mission Lexington, and he's just an amazing individual. I think one of the things that I love about working with Karl is that he's got this sense of enthusiasm. He's got this sense of excitement. He's been doing this for a long time, and yet you can see that the fire hasn't really died.
If you've had a conversation with him in, well, say the last 15 years, he probably brought that conversation around to Mission Health Lexington. And after that, more than likely, you gave your time or your money, or like tonight, Scala, both to the organization. For me, it has been a joy to see how God has used my dad's dental experience as kingdom work for all of God's children. He truly believes that everyone deserves good dental care and has worked countless hours to that end. He inspires me and those around him to make the world a better place.
The status of Mission Health Lexington at this point is a tribute not just to his work, but the way he's been able to then convey that spark to other people so that he gets the work of huge numbers of people involved with that.
Many ask, what would Jesus do? I think my dad's answer to that question would be support Mission Health Lexington with your time, your talents, and your resources. And that's exactly what he has done.
I would just like to say that, Karl, it's been an honor and a privilege to work with you. I mean, since this mission began, you've been such an integral part. You've done just about everything that you can do, and as a volunteer for this mission, you know, from painting the walls to jackhammering the floor to recruiting to get the equipment that we use. I mean, this mission is you. Your legacy is this mission.
I just want to say thank you, Karl, for serving the way you have. You are deserving of this award for what you have done, and you've been an example to not only me, but to many others who have come behind you to help serve in an organization that helps so many different people. Karl, thank you for just being you.
I love you. Thank you for all the mentorships you've given me, and it is an honor and privilege to see that you get this award.
As his daughter, I appreciate the recognition he is receiving tonight. Dad, thanks for setting such a great example for Kel and I. We love you and we're very proud of you.